Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Anchorage. First, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. You need to type down pay traffic ticket online in Anchorage and enter it. And from the search result, you need to select this top website here, Anchorage Police Department. Select there. From here, you need to scroll a bit down and select this pay state ticket under this issue traffic ticket here. And from here, select the search cases here in the bottom. And after that, you can simply search your case with your case number, name, or the ticket or citation. As I'm going to choose this case number and simply type down the case number and select the search. You need to follow the instruction here. And you can simply select your case and follow the payment instruction. And after that, you can save your payment confirmation. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.